In today's video we're going to learn how to do double crochet 4 together. So we're gonna be putting 4 stitches together using double crochet. To start on the end, if you're ever doing that, you're only gonna chain 2, never 3. It's usually always chaining 3 when there's double crochet involved, but because this is a together we want to only chain 2. The next 3 are each going to be part of that one. So we're gonna yarn over and then go into the next one, pull through, and then pull through 2 and hold it onto your hook. Then you're gonna yarn over, go into the next one, pull through 2 and hold it. And then you're gonna yarn over, go in the next one, pull through and pull through 2. So you will have in the beginning of a round or a row only 4 loops on the hook, so you yarn over, pull through all 4. So that was 4 together. So you see how it all looks in, like it belongs. The next 4, let's put those together. So let's yarn over and going in, pull through 2 and hold. Yarn over, in, pull through 2 and hold. Yarn over, in, pull through 2 and hold. And here is the secret. So do the final one. So because it's in the middle of a row or could be round, there will always be 5 loops left on the hook when you're doing this stitch. It's only the very beginning of a round or a row that you will have 4. So once you see that there's 5, just yarn over and pull through all 5 loops, and that is double crochet 4 together.